So today I will tell you about countable nouns. Countable nouns refer to things that can be counted, and they usually have singular and plural forms. The words a, n, several, many, few, are used with them.
Wow, great, now let me tell you about uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are those that cannot be counted. In other words, they are mass. They usually take words like some, much, little, lots. Examples are water, food, sand, milk, etc. Besides, there are other words that are considered as uncountable nouns, and as such, they are not to be added with suffix s whenever we use them in spoken and written English. These nouns include furniture, character, traffic, cattle, beauty, uniform, equipment, work, experience, information, work, advice, knowledge, wisdom, luggage, bread, etc. It is wrong to use them as follows. The youth's behaviors nowadays are bad. Instead we say, the youth's behavior nowadays is bad. Saying, Bola's characters are bad is very wrong. Instead we say, Bola's character is bad. Saying, I have many works to do today is wrong. Instead we say, I have a lot of work to do today. However, we use some nouns as both countable and uncountable, depending on the meaning we intend to achieve. For instance, when noun is used in an uncountable manner, the meaning becomes abstract and general. In other words, it is not specific. Therefore, it embraces many. Whereas, if the uncountable noun is used as a countable noun, the meaning becomes concrete and particular. For example, Tunji has done much work. Tunji has read one of Soyinka's works.
Wow, this is great.
That's all for today's lesson. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share.